So now here is your Amazon account. But you can see that we have an issue here because it said that your Amazon account information is incomplete. So we will need to fix that in order to proceed. If not, if you want to publish the book right now, we can't be able to do that except we complete this. And to do that, simply click on Update Now. So once you click on Update Now, it will give you the opportunity to fill in your details. So first of all, you can see you have your profile there, you have getting paid, you have tax information and all of that. And then where we're going to start is you have two types there, individual or corporation. So we are going to be picking as an individual. So just click on individual and there you will include your date of birth. So you just check that in, pick your date of birth and add that in order to continue with the process. So once you are done inputting your date of birth, you need to pick your country. So for ours, it's Nigeria. If you're not from Nigeria, then you definitely need to pick the country that you belong to in order to continue with the process. But here, we are signing in from Nigeria, so we'll pick Nigeria in our own case. And then once you pick that, you see that more details have been populated for you to fill up. Do well to put in your legal name there. Make sure it's a name that you have on your ID cards that you are putting in here, so that in case they ask you for any forms of verification, you will be able to provide an ID card. And you can also go ahead and put your address right there. And then once you are done putting your address, you put your city, type in your city, and then you also type in your region, your state. So for our city is right here in the city of Makurdi, and then for our state is Benue State, so you will input that right there. And then as for your postal code, remember what we did the last time when we were signing up for grade.co. It's the same thing here. You can use the same postal code if you got it that time, and then you will include your phone number there as the last thing. And how to get your postal code, if you haven't done that before, you just need to type the name of your city on Google and then write postal code by the side and click on search, and it should be able to bring you something. So I'm going to type in my phone number right there, and then I'll click on save. So that is how you are able to fill in the first information on the Amazon platform.